this video, I am discussing 6th standard mathematics, chapter 6, perimeter and area. Now, in this video, I will discuss area of some figures. This is a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Similarly, area of square is equal to length into length. For example, if we take side as 6 centimeter, 6 into 6, 36 centimeter square is its area. Now, see definition for area. We have studied the areas of closed figures in previous grades. Let us recall some key points. The amount of region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. The amount of region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Now, area of a square is length into length or side by side. All sides are equal here. Therefore, we can write it as L square. Now, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. L means length, B means breadth. This is rectangular figure for your understanding. Length here 8 centimeter, breadth here 5 centimeter, area 8 into 5 is equal to 40 centimeter square. Now, area of a square is equal to side here 6 centimeter, area is equal to side into side or 6 into 6, that means 36 centimeter square. Now, see some more examples. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Here, one rectangular floor is given like this, 5 meter long, 4 meter wide. Here, one 3 meter square carpet laid. This is 3 meter. Now, first we find area of the floor. That means area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth or length into width. We know that length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter. They given, therefore 20 square meter or meter square, 20 or else 20 meter square. Now, length of square carpet, one side is 3 meter. Therefore, in a square, all sides are equal. Therefore, area of carpet is equal to length into length. That means 3 into 3, 9 meter square. Now, hence, the area of the floor laid with the carpet is 9 meter. Therefore, the area of the floor that is not carpeted is area of the floor minus area of the floor laid with carpet. That means 20 minus 9 is equal to 11 square meter. Another example, 4 square flower beds, each of side 4 meter. 4 square beds, each of side 4 meter, are in 4 corners on a piece of land 12 meter long and 10 meter wide. This is a piece of land. This is 12 meter long, 10 meter wide. Here 4 corners, they given each side 4 meter. Find the area of the remaining part of the land. They are asking remaining part. Now, length of the land 12 meter, width of the land 10 meter, area of whole land is equal to length into width or else length into breadth. 12 meter into 10 meter is equal to 120 square meter. Now, the side length of each 4 square floor beds is 4 meter. Area of one floor bed is equal to side into side, that means 16 meter square. Hence, area of 4 floor beds is equal to 4 into 16, that means 64 square meter. Therefore, the area of the remaining part of the land is area of the complete land minus area of all 4 floor beds. That means 120 meter minus 64 meter is equal to 56 meters square. Now, figure it out. First question. Area of a rectangular garden 25 meter long is area of a rectangular garden 25 meter long is 300 square meter. What is the width of the garden? They given one rectangular garden, length is 25 meter. We want to find its width. They given area is equal to how much? 300 square meter or 300 meter square. Now, area of we know the formula for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth or length into width. Width, length given 25, width we don't know, W is equal to as it is, this is 300, that means W is equal to 300 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25 ones are 5 left, it becomes 50, that means 25 twos are. Width is equal to 12 meter. W is equal to 12 as the answer. 12 meter as the answer. Next, second question. What is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot of land 5 meter long and 2 meter wide at the rate of 8 rupees per 100 square meter? Now, they given one rectangular land of width 500 meter long, 500 meter long and 200 meter width. Now L is equal to 500 meter and width is equal to 200 meter. Now area of rectangle is equal to formula, area of rectangle is equal to length into width or else length into breadth. Length into width. Now 500 into 200, that means 5 to the 10, remaining 0 as it is. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. This become 1 lakh. Now 1 lakh meter square. Now per 100 meter, 100 meter per 100 meter square is rupees 8. How much rupees for 1 lakh 1 lakh meter square? We don't know. Put it as x. X is equal to, just cross multiply, 1 lakh into 8 divided by 100. This 0 get cancelled. 1000 into 8 means 8000. 8000 rupees is the answer. Next, third question. A rectangular coconut grove is 100 meter long and 50 meter wide. This is a rectangular coconut grove, 100 meter long, 50 meter wide. Next, if each coconut tree required 25 square meter, what is the maximum number of trees that can be planted in this grove? A rectangular See, a rectangular coconut grove is 100 meter long and 50 meter wide. If each coconut tree requires 25 square meter, what is the maximum number of trees that can be planted in this grove? Now, they given length is equal to 100 meter, width is equal to 50 meter. We know that area of rectangle is equal to, first find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Length 100 into 50. This is 5,000. 5,000 meter square. Now, for 25 meter square, one tree. For 25 meter square, one tree. Then, for 5,000 meter square, how many trees? We don't know. Put it as x. X is equal to, just cross multiply 1 into 5,000 divided by 25. 25 ones are, 25 twos are. That means 200 trees. 200 trees will be planted in 500 square meter. Next, fourth question. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their area. All measures are given in meters. That means like this. This is one part. Now, make this one part like this. Like this. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 figures are there. That take all these length and width by using formula of square, area of a square and area of a rectangle. Splitting following figure into rectangles, find their area. All measures are given in meters. Yes, they are given in meters. Find its areas. Try it. Try this. This completes area of rectangle and square problem. In the next video, I will discuss 10 grams. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.